We really enjoyed our stay at the Novotel Excel. The staff were excellent and nothing was too much trouble. The room was clean and tidy and breakfast was good. The only small hiccup was that our GPS could not find the hotel. Perfect location for access to Excel to take part in London Triathlon. DLR station within a few minutes walk for easy access to other areas. Quiet area with restaurants and a couple of convenience stores nearby. Comfiest hotel bed we've ever slept in. The stay at Novotel London is what you expect from most Accor hotels. Nothing bad, nothing great, it's average. The location was good, the staff was good, the room okay. However, you expect at least a free bottle of water in your room when you get there. The hotel was fine, however the hotel location is very far from Heathrow Airport and we paid £102 for taxi services, which is exorbitant. We should have been advised by Agoda and would make a decision as to whether we want to be in Novotel Excel on Canary Wharf. The staff were friendly and efficient. We only stayed one night but consider this an excellent hotel for anyone attending performances at the O2. The room was a reasonable size for a London hotel. The Emirates cable car over the Thames was particularly fun and an easy walk from the hotel. Rooms are very nice and have space to move around. Bathroom door position a bit strange. Lifts to the floors always available, there are 3. Area very quiet but that was good. Able to get into the center of London very quickly. Breakfast a bit expensive and lack of cups for the ice machine, only small things we could come up with. My one reservation when booking here was the location. I wasn't using the hotel in order to attend an event locally, but used it as a base to go into central London. Great train links, really easy. Lovely room, and I also made use of the gym and steam room suite. This property would definitely be on my short list for future visits to London. Comfortable stay. They provided kettle, fridge, safe. Breakfast was offered at £11 per day, but I didn't take this up as there's a Tesco Express and a local grocer nearby and a few cafe for breakfast. Is 20 minutes out of central London, accessible by DLR from Canning Town. But if you're a light sleeper, cars reversing sound outside might wake you. Located in Docklands and near Excel, 5 minutes walk from DLR, which allows easy access to the heart of London. Nonetheless, the room condition would be a little bit disappointing with a malfunction sink when we check in the room. The price is also expensive comparing with the hotels nearby, and I think there would be other valuable options with hotels near Docklands or LCY. We chose this hotel simply because of its close proximity to a conference we had to attend at Excel London, which is just a mere 150 meters away. We stayed in one of the suites, which was brilliant as it has a separate lounge from the bedroom, with a big round table, huge windows, sofa set, Nespresso coffee machine, Bose radio and MP3 deck. Food at the upper deck was also first class, so was the service by the attentive staff. I like the environment there. I too enjoyed the breakfast with good view outside. This hotel would be my priority for my next visit to London. Very comfortable, no complaints. Room was to a good standard for the price. Location good for commuting to London Central plus O2 on the doorstep. Ideal. I stayed at the Novotel at the London Excel Centre, as well as the 2 Ibis hotels in the area. Go with the Novotel for sure, much nicer of a property by far. Great location to explore the different London markets, which was the main purpose of the weekend. Room comfortable and sound night's sleep with amazing spread for breakfast. Best value for money option in this area. 20 to 30 minutes from central London. This area is very clean, safe and well connected. Tesco is walking distance for grocery, sweets, beverages. High-quality hotel, excellent service, good food, good and clean and tidy rooms. We are 2 rooms of 4 people, highly recommended to someone like relax and enjoyable hotel trip. Very pleasurable stay at the Novotel London Excel, close to the Excel Exhibition Centre and also the O2 Arena. The Docklands Light Railway makes getting to central London quick and easy. The location is fantastic, 5 minutes walk from Excel London. Save the time and hassle traveling in the cold weather. Staffs are friendly and helpful. The rate is high due to busy exhibition schedule.